Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Velo Labs, exploring tokenization. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Before we start, you can check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got NXRA. Do check it out for bonuses, discounts, and benefits. Look into the link in the description box below to check out the referral code and everything. And as far as the wallet is concerned, do check out Decent, guys. They've got their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, which has got a phenomenal $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below in terms of both NXRA and Decent. Anyways, now let's see what's happening with Velo in real time. Any new info, any new posts that we have. So guys, optimism is in the air again for Velo. Look at this, 37 minutes ago, crypto banker Velo today is just a rocket, basically. Almost 1.5 cents, up 18.30% as far as this post is concerned from crypto banker. Velo journey to 10 cents will be like a road runner. Okay. So finally, all these Velo accumulations were for Binance Thailand liquidity. Listing on 30th October. Global listing is also possible next year. Binance Thailand, guys. I mean, this is the first step towards that global listing that everyone is looking forward to. Let's hope that it happens next year, hopefully. Listing on Binance Thailand. Jump in before everyone starts FOMO into a big fat bag. Ground control to Major Tom. Before I head out, I just wanted to state that Velo is currently breaking its descending resistance on the 4-hour time frame. Send it. Awesome. If the descending resistance breaks, guys, we might see 2 cents really soon. But before that, we've got a few resistance here and there. Look at this. I think the 1.5 cent level is a crucial level as well. If it breaks through this level over here, this wick over here, we'll see 2 cents soon. And from there on forward, I think the 3 cent level is possible in the short term, short to medium term. Velo $1, book it. Here comes the Velo move. Are you ready? So yeah, a lot of optimism at the moment. Take a look at the inflow of Velo in the last 1 hour. Almost $1 million in USD flowing in Velo buys. Awesome. Now Velo hits 0.014, almost 1.5 cents. Look at this, guys. This was a really interesting post from Purate. Tokenization is high priority, and look which project is getting fully ready for this. She replied to Thingol over here. He also posted a really interesting post. Let's look at that first. Thingol posted this post from Hong Kong, which the title of which says Hong Kong, a stablecoin regulations in 2024, crypto tax incentives. Tokenization is high priority, and it was 4 hours ago. This latest from Ledger Insights, and Purate then replied and basically posted this over here. Velo's RWA vision. Tokenization of US Treasury bills, tokenized commodities, digital gold, etc., tokenization of financial products, account receivables, etc., liquidity aggregation and financial innovation, and real-world restaking strategy. Velo exploring RWA world through blockchain infrastructure and Web3 dApps. The concept of real-world assets in the context of Web3 refers to the tokenization and integration of physical traditional assets into blockchain ecosystems, allowing for their trade, transfer, and management using decentralized technologies. By tokenizing RWAs, Projects can bridge the gap between the digital blockchain world and the physical economy, making real-world assets more liquid, accessible, and programmable. Here's a breakdown of how. Okay, so basically, whatever you own physically can be tokenized. This is indeed an entirely new asset class in the making, guys. It is going to be phenomenal, in my opinion, because it will minimize and mitigate the barriers to entry and remove the barriers to entry, basically. And it will be easy for people to trade or own physical assets in digital form. Tokenization is going to be huge. So what is tokenization of real world assets and how does it work? This was a really interesting post over here that I found, and the graphics of it were really great. Now look at this: understanding tokenization. By the way, Velo is involved in various sectors in RWA. RWA is a huge asset class, disrupting trillions, guys, and there are various elements to it, like physical commodities, gold, treasury bills, account receivables, in terms of XDC network, if you remember, trade finance documents. So a lot of stuff that tokenization can cover, and Velo is trying to cover a hell lot. Look at this: off-chain data over here, currencies, commodities, even stocks, guys, Tesla Inc. It can be tokenized, carbon credits, and each of this is a multi-trillion-dollar market, guys. As far as real estate is concerned, if you look at the market cap of real estate, you know that it is above 200 trillion, I think. So you guys can get the idea that how huge it can be. Art, even watches, luxury goods, everything can be tokenized. Bonds. Look at this: tokenized assets, global trade on the blockchain. So blockchain is going to be used for this to see to see if it's traceable and immutable. So it basically the blockchain is going to be helping this process. Definition of tokenization, history and evolution. The concept of tokenization isn't entirely new. It has its roots in traditional finance, where stocks, bonds, and other securities have long been used to represent ownership in companies and assets. With the advent of blockchain technology, tokenization has taken a new form, all allowing for the digitization of virtually any asset. And by any asset, we mean any asset. Even a TV, if you own a TV, you might represent it in a tokenized market. Maybe anything can happen. Your old goods in your home, stored somewhere in your basement, I mean, you might be able to list it. Anything can happen. The innovation and creativity to it can be limitless, and it is unlimited, it is infinite. Obviously, it can go anywhere. Blockchain and smart contracts. At the heart of tokenization are blockchain technology and smart contracts. Blockchain provides a secure and transparent ledger for recording ownership and transactions, while smart contracts automate the transfer of tokens and enforce rules without the need for intermediaries. So basically, why smart contract needed? It is for the process to be trustless, no third party involved, no intermediary involved. If you want to transfer it and buy or sell it without any intermediary, those smart contracts will enforce the rules. As far as the blockchain is concerned, it provides that ledger, obviously, to record that, yeah, certain amount of certain coin or commodity or anything has been recorded. The buying and selling of it is recorded, the ownership is recorded. So it's going to be a really neat process. Types of tokens: utility, security, and asset-backed. Tokens can be broadly categorized into utility tokens, security tokens, and asset-backed tokens. Like asset-backed means that it is backed by gold or something like that. Utility tokens grant access to a product or service. Security tokens represent ownership in an asset or company, and asset-backed tokens are directly tied to real-world assets like real estate or commodities such as gold, silver, any mineral even, guys. Minerals can be tokenized. It will be magnificent, guys. Minerals such as chromite or others, there are multiple ways that this can go forward, and Velo is trying to basically disrupt this huge market to say the least. Look at this: real world assets, bonds, commodities, currencies, and real estate custodied by financial institutions, tokenized RWAs, tokenized on a blockchain and verified by Chainlink proof of reserve. Okay, RWAs in DeFi, tradable across DeFi for deeper liquidity, faster settlement, and access to new markets. By the way, I would like to add one thing, that tokenization does not require a project to expand totally globally to be a success. Velo can only disrupt a single state in if to the fully vigorously an entire state in Southeast Asia, and that can make it a success. Because if, for instance, if Velo is maneuvering or functioning from Thailand, if it tries to tokenize the securities, commodities, currencies, real estate of Thailand, that is a huge use case, guys. Only one state. We're not talking about tokenizing the entire globe. We're not talking about tokenizing the entire Southeast Asia even. We're talking about only tokenizing one country, and that would be a huge success in my opinion. The volume, the transactions, it's going to be magnificent. This is beyond our imagination. If it is achieved, any project or any concept can be a success or failure. Even stock market, before it came to fruition, it was an experiment. Experiments take decades to become a success, even in some cases decades and years, guys. So let's see a decade or two down the line where this goes, where this entire thing goes, where this entire process goes. But one thing is for certain: Valo is trying to basically be the one of those front runners in this new experiment, in this new innovation. So this is great. Look at this: Binance exchange listing announcement for Velo. Binance Thailand by Gulf. Binance is pleased to announce that we will be adding the following Thai baht pair: Velo THB spot, effective October 30th, 2024 at 10 a.m. Thailand time. So Velo is taking the moves. Let's hope that it achieves what it wants to achieve. Anyways, what do you guys think about Velo and tokenization? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.